Let's do a walk around of a M32B1 Sherman tank here at Normandy. The M32B1 was the battlefield mechanic of World War II, built to rescue tanks, not destroy them. Based on the Sherman tank, it replaced the main gun turret with a powerful crane and heavy winch used to recover damaged tanks under fire. The B1 version was built on the M4A1 Sherman with its distinctive cast hull. It could tow disabled vehicles, lift engines and pull tanks out of mud, ditches or combat zones. From Normandy to Germany, the M32B1 kept Allied armour moving, proving that victory depended not just on tanks but on getting them back into battle.
Over dragon's teeth and wire, as oak leaves fall to ground, the sound of war inspires, but fate of will was drowned. The left undermines the value of truth so dearly lost. No sacrifice remembered by the heroes he did cross. A hero is born.